Welcome back to our 39th web programming tutorial. Now, in this video we're going to deal with variables. So this is going to be our introduction to variables. And JavaScript has decided to do the one logical thing that no other language I've come across has really done. And it's going to just do something very simple for variables. Instead of typing int or double, all it wants us to do is type in var or var or however you want to pronounce it, and I'm just going to use a and 12, and from here I'm going to do document.write. Well, don't really like the font they use in Notepad++. It looks really hard to tell sometimes. Now, if we run this page through, we get a nice little 12 down here, and that's what we wanted to see. And from here, now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a few different things. One, variables are case sensitive. So, if we've got A here, we can't have capital A down here. It has to be the same value, and it's always good to start variables with a lowercase letter. So a number is how you'd do it. Now, there are other ways, but I always find that you start with a lowercase letter and then do an uppercase one for each continuing word or each word that's used in it. Now, some people here would rather just do something like an underscore, which is again a valid type. I've never really used it, so my advice would be just use a and then again, or well, use a letter to start off, or even a word and number, just something that's relevant, and then for each subsequent word you want to start with a capital so you notice that it's actually there. And the other thing that we've got to realize is that even though you can use numbers in variables, I find it highly unhelpful, to the point where it even becomes a bit of a hindrance. Because if you're looking through code and you're trying to find certain ones, a number kind of just throws you off, especially if you've got similar ones with actual writing. So that's all we're going to cover in this video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'm just thinking if there's anything else I actually do need to cover, but we'll be covering more in the next video. So this was just our intro. So anyway, I'll see you all then.